Girl, this hair tutorial got very chaotic, but just stay tuned because it turned out exactly how I wanted it. First, I started off slicking down my edges. Yes, I still do baby hairs. I don't care how you feel about it. I'm parting off the part for my quick weave, my leave out, and then the part for the half mohawk. So the big braids is the quick weave, and then the braids on this side is the half mohawk. And I like how it's coming out so far. It's looking good. Okay, it's looking good. I still got it. So now I'm going to use 2 black caps for the quick weave, and ooh, yeah, it was hot up in this bathroom. So I'm going to try to go as fast as possible. I'm blow drying it as I go so I can make sure that all the glue is completely dry before I move on to the next because I don't want no track slipping. And I even had to hit myself with a cool blast because I was sweating. Now, I lost my shears. I don't know what happened to them. I don't know if they got stole. I don't know what happened. So now I have to use this knife. Yes, this is very chaotic, I know. I'm cutting off the cap and making sure, did I cut any of my hair? No, I didn't. Oh, thank God. Okay, so let's keep going. I was very, very anxious on this part. Like, I was so scared, as you can see by my facial expressions. And I was also just over it because it was stressing me out real bad, y'all. But we made it work, okay? And eventually I got the whole cap off. So, girl, please do not try this at home because this is very dangerous. And if you hurt yourself, got the idea on your own, it wasn't me. Yeah, I had to convince myself that it was worth it. Yeah, it looks good. Yep, it was worth it. Yep. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and flat iron the leave out, and the more it came together, I had to really trust the process. And I'm like, okay, yeah, this is finna eat. This is gonna be real cute. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. And yeah, I was feeling good. And for my final act, I'm just gonna go ahead and crimp it up real good. Let me know what you guys think and what you want to see next in the comments down below. I pretty much do all my hairstyles myself, and I just had to have a little moment because one time for the style. And this is a very old style, and I'm not gonna lie, some people was calling it Alicia Keys braids, some was calling it lemonade braids. Either way, it's half a mohawk, okay? So see you in my next video. Bye.